Hi student. Now in today's class I will explain you class 9 chapter triangles exercise 7.2. Only two theorems are there that is related to this chapter. These are first theorem on isosceles triangle or properties of isosceles triangle. We know isosceles triangle is triangle whose two sides are equal is called the isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, two sides equal. Theorem 1. Angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angle opposite to the equal sides AB and AC are equal. Its opposite angle, angle C, is equal to angle B. We have to proving it is. Now, in triangle, first, before proving, you construct AD, which is bisector of angle A. It's divide angle A into equal parts and intersect BC at D. Now in triangle ABD and ACD has AB is equal to AC given. Next is angle ABD is equal ACD, that also by angle BAD, sorry, not this one, BAD is equal CAD. By construction we have got, and AD is the common side. Therefore, by side, angle, side, congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, angle B is equal angle C. Done it. Next is theorem is the sides opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal. In isosceles triangle, now we have got two angles are equal, therefore their opposite sides are also equal. Now again draw AD or construct AD, which is bisector of angle A. Now in these two triangle, angles are given equal. So angle B equal angle C and BAD, this angle, equal CAD, this angle, and AD is the common side. Therefore, by angle side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. Next, now go through the chapter. It is the part 1. Exercise 7.2 part 1. Part 1 question number 1 to 3 I will explain you. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle A OB and bisector of angle C, they intersect at point O. Join OA. Show that OB is equal to OC. It is the first, and in second we have to prove AO bisect angle A. Now first part, in this side equal this side, has given AB is equal to AC. Side opposite to angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Therefore angle opposite to the AB is C. Angle C is equal to angle B. Now take it half of A and half of B. That is half of angle C and half of angle B. That is angle OCB and OBC are equal. Hence, this is equal. Now sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. That we have got first part. Second part, AOB. This one, these two triangle we have to take AOB and AOC in these two triangles. In these two triangle, side OB is equal to OC we have got, and AB is equal to AC has given, it is isosceles triangle, it is given, and AO is the common side. So three parts we have got, and these are the side. By side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, it is angle BAO BAO is equal CAO. Bisepicity is a very interesting thing. You see, this much we have to prove. You have to give the reason. As we buy something, so buy one get one free. So buy one and bisepicity means get one free. It is for this no need to prove. This much we have to prove. It is bisepicity this equal. This you can write it easily. Now next is in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Next, in triangle ABC, this one, and AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That means it is 90 degree, it is a 90 degree. So to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle, so we have to prove AB is equal to AC. For that, take these two triangle. In this triangle, BD is equal to CD, because D is the midpoint, bisector it is. Next is AD is the common side, and angle ADB and ADC, it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree. Therefore, by side, angle, side, congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, bisepicity AB is equal to AC. Okay, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next question is the third question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and altitude CF of equal sides AC and AB respectively show that these altitudes are equal. BE is equal to CF we have to prove. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So angle ACB is equal ABC. Angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle B equal angle C. Now, in these two triangle you take, if instead of ACB we can write ECB also, and instead of ABC we can write FCB, that I have written here. Now in these two triangle, I have colored that part. Now in these two triangle, angle BEC, it is 90 degree, it was perpendicular, altitude means perpendicular. BEC is equal to CFB. These two are equal to 90 degree. Angle ECB and FBC are equal because it is proved already here. BC is the common side. So therefore, it is angle side congruency rule. Angle side congruency rule. These two triangle are congruent. Therefore, bisepicity BE is equal to CF. Proved. It is the last question. Thank you very much.